Okay, opening the tuna can of ammo.
240 rounds. Ooh.
Woohoo! Looks clean.
It's like opening a time capsule. What's in small
Oh yeah,
box?
this is Leslie's. And we got this one. And
Not much further. You can see what's in
and
it.
this shotty.
I didn't smell it. Alright, I'm almost there.
Where'd you get this from?
Bought it from a guy and he got it from the CMP in Anniston. I think this came from Greece. It was American made, but they sent it to Greece, you know, because there was a Lend-Lease program, they called it. And the Lend-Lease program, American government said, any country that's our ally, we will give you munitions.
Exactly. That
weapons,
was FDR that thought
Yeah.
of that shit.
But you have 50 years to pay us back.
Yep.
So when the 50 years came up, everybody had to give back their stuff. And so this was American manufactured, but it was sent to Greece. So this is American ammo. Look at these. We need to film this.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice.
Greek Powder and Cartridge Company. It was probably, okay, that's probably, they say, that Americans went over there and showed them how to build it. So this is Greek ammo production, but set up by Americans. Caliber 30, see? 30-06. Now, we shall open this little baby up and see what's inside. Ooh. Keep one of these little babies out. Yes, sir.
Sweet.
30-06.
And then that's the ones that we use today.
Yeah.
Nice.
30 caliber 06. Cool. Yeah,
All those sizes and everything.
Huh?
Nothing. Next, I'm going to show you what it's going into.